Bonjour, hello. I made a video to help you learn about les articles partitifs, partitive articles in English. I'm going to present to you the content of this video. First, we'll study about how these partitive articles change according to different context. For example, they can change if the sentence is affirmative or negative. You see on top here. They can change according to the gender, masculin, féminin, in English, masculine gender, feminine gender, or according to the number, singular or plural. This is the first thing. Second, we'll see that in some expression of quantity, you don't have any real article. You use only de. Okay, but this is de, or de in English, in front of a consonant, but it will be d apostrophe in front of a vowel. Here, for example, we have j'ai bu beaucoup de café. Café start with a consonant, so we will use de. And you see, it's an expression of quantity, beaucoup de, that combine the use of de. But there is no real article combined with de. Usually we will combine de le, that will make du, or de la. Okay, but here we have only de. Beaucoup de, a lot of coffee. Il nous reste peu d'argent. We have little money left. Okay, here peu de means little in English, and it's a combination of peu and de with no article, and because de is in front of a vowel, it would be d apostrophe. Peu d'argent, little money. Okay, so this is what we're going to see in details. Now let's start to see the content. You can see here there are 3 tables, 1, 2, 3. We'll see that in detail. So the first table is about affirmative sentences. These sentences will express an indefinite quantity. Let's see that. We'll see that later. There is another table which is about the negative sentences, which express no quantity. And then affirmative and negative sentences that are the expression of a quantity, like we've seen, beaucoup de, a lot of, or peu de, little, peu d'argent, little money. So let's see the affirmative sentences first. Alors, you see that the partitive article has many forms. You see, du, de la, de, l'apostrophe, des. See, that correspond to different cases. First, if the noun is singular, we have 3 cases: masculine gender, feminine gender, or the word is starting with a vowel or a silent H. And the second case here is about the plural, and in any case it will be the same form, des. Whatever the gender is, masculine or feminine, anyway, if it's plural, there is only one form. Okay, let's see the example given. So, riz is masculine gender. It means rice. And I will say du riz because it's masculine gender. Du riz. Pain is the same masculine gender. Du pain. Feminine gender. De la. De la. Okay, soup is feminine gender, so I say de la soupe. Soup. De la farine, flour. De la farine, flour in English. De la soupe, de la farine. But there is another case, as I told you. If the word that is singular is starting with a vowel, whether it is masculine or feminine, anyway, you have to use L apostrophe. De l'eau means water, some water, or water. In English, there is no such article as the partitive article in French. In some cases, you will translate by some and some cases you don't translate it at all. There's no, it's like a zero article in English. So de l'eau, eau is feminine gender. De l'ail, I is garlic, katiam. Bon, I is a masculine gender, but it will have the same form in front, de, and then L apostrophe, de l'ail, de l'ail. Okay? Water, garlic, or some water, some garlic. And then the other case is the plural form, and in any case, whatever the gender, or even if there is a vowel, the noun is starting with a vowel or silent H. Anyway, in any case, you have des pommes, apples, des nouilles, noodles. Okay, so we have seen here the affirmative sentences using the partitive article for expressing an indefinite quantity. Here the quantity is not definite, is not definite. Okay, so now let's see the negative sentences. Negative sentences, no quantity is expressed because there is nothing. It's the negative form. So let's see in some detail. So if you have a negative sentence and the noun is starting with a consonant, you will use de. For example, il ne mange pas. He doesn't eat. It's a negative sentence. He doesn't eat what? Rice. So in French, you see, in English I say he doesn't eat rice. But in French I need to use the article for an indefinite quantity or no quantity because it's a negative sentence. So, il ne mange pas de riz. De riz, you use the form de in front of the noun riz. This is for the negative sentence. If it was affirmative sentence, you will have il mange du riz. Du riz. Pour riz is masculine gender. But in a negative sentence, it's not du, it's de. This is a difficulty of French, and many students make mistake here. They forget that at the negative sentence, when the sentence is negative, you have to change du, il mange du riz, and use de, il ne mange pas de riz. Same for coffee, il ne boit pas de café, he doesn't drink coffee. Okay. If the noun is starting with a vowel or a silent H, then you will have an apostrophe. For example, il ne boit pas d'eau. He doesn't drink water. In English, nothing. Il ne boit pas d'eau. He doesn't drink water. Il ne boit pas d'alcool. He doesn't drink alcohol. Okay, so these two nouns are starting with a vowel, so you use the apostrophe. And don't forget, it's a negative sentence. If it was an affirmative sentence, you will have il boit de l'eau, with L apostrophe. Or il boit de l'alcool with L apostrophe, l'alcool, de l'eau. But it is a negative sentence, so you use the apostrophe. Il ne boit pas d'eau, il ne boit pas d'alcool. Okay. And the third table that we study in this video is about the expression of quantity with some specific expression, such as, here I gave you some, but there are many. For example, un peu de, trop de, beaucoup de, assez de, which means too much. Un peu de is mean little, little wine. He drinks little wine, il boit un peu de vin. Il mange trop de viande. He eats too much meat. Il boit beaucoup d'eau. He drinks a lot of water. Il ne mange pas assez de légumes. He doesn't eat enough vegetables. So you can see here we have two cases only. The two cases are before a consonant or before a vowel. Whatever the gender, the number is singular or plural, whatever the gender is masculine gender or feminine gender, what matters, what is important is just, is it before a consonant or before a vowel? So you see here, vin is a consonant, so you use de, un peu de vin. Il boit un peu de vin. He drinks a little bit of wine. Il mange trop de viande. He eats too much meat. Okay, it's very different from English. You can hear that. In English, you have many ways to say the same thing, but very different. Il boit beaucoup d'eau. A lot of water. And pas assez, not enough. Pas assez, not enough. And you see, you have de. In English, you don't have this. You have only not enough vegetables. You don't have de. But here, you need pas assez de légumes. Voilà, that's all for this little video. Ah no, it's not finished, sorry. We will see also, we will compare. When you use, for example, j'aime, it's not the same case. You don't use a partitive article because you will speak about food in general and it doesn't relate to quantity. For example, if you say, I love spaghetti, I love tom yum goong. Sorry, it's Thai. I love noodle soup. Okay, then you speak about something and it doesn't relate at all with quantity. It's just a generality like that. So in French, we use the definite article in that case. J'aime le concombre means I love cucumber. J'aime la tomate means I love tomato or I like. J'aime l'aubergine, I love eggplant. J'aime les petits pois, I forgot in English, sweet peas, but maybe I forgot in English. J'aime les petits pois. Okay, so in French, when you say what you like, what you love, you don't use partitive article because you're speaking about something that doesn't relate to quantity. Just what it is. It's just what you like. It's what you like. It's not how much or what quantity you eat of it. And then when you speak, when you use je mange, it's different because when you eat, you relate what you're speaking about to quantity for sure. If you say I eat potato, okay, usually it means you are eating some potato. Maybe you mean I eat potato, I can eat potato, but this is another case. When you say I eat, I'm eating, then you are eating a quantity of something. So if it's not definite, as I told you, the articles to use is the partitive article. Je mange du concombre. I eat cucumber. I'm eating cucumber. Je mange de la tomate. I'm eating tomato. Je mange de l'aubergine. I'm eating eggplant. So you see, manger and j'aime is different. J'aime, you use definite articles, and manger, you use partitive articles. And if you say, for example, j'achète, is the same, because when you buy something, it's concrete, it's something real. So some quantity is involved. It's not something subjective in the imagination, like I love, I like this, I love, I like that. It's just you are making a use of something, and you have to express a definite or indefinite article. Okay, I hope my explanations are clear. That's all for today. The meaning of this video is just to, the purpose, sorry, of this video is just to help you understand the use of the partitive article, because it will be something important in the midterm. I will explain to you how. Ok, merci. À bientôt.